Hello everybody, welcome back to Kid Eats. I'm Frankie and I'm going to start this video off by saying this is not a super healthy alternative for a breakfast. It's better than our Carnation Instant Breakfast though. Today I want to show you how to make a peanut butter, banana, and chocolate smoothie. They're packed with fiber and protein. Our family loves these for a quick breakfast sometimes, and by sharing this video, we hope that you can enjoy them as well. So without further ado, let's get started. The things you will need for this recipe call for 2 bananas broken into pieces and frozen. Preferably we do this the night before so they'll be ready in the morning for breakfast. 1 cup of milk or unsweetened alternative milk of choice. Half a cup of vanilla low-fat Greek yogurt. 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa. 2 tablespoons of creamy peanut butter. And a half a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Here we're adding 2 tablespoons of chia to our milk, or alternative milk. This step has to be done at night to ensure that the chia has absorbed the maximum amount of fluid and is ready for breakfast. A little tip, too much unsoaked chia can cause upset stomachs in our little ones, so we want to make sure to do this step right. You can do this step and then freeze the bananas at the same time the night before. So now that you have all the ingredients and you've frozen your bananas and soaked your chia the night before, grab your blender and add all the ingredients listed here, being sure to add the bananas last and then blend until smooth. A lot of people have different preferences on this. It could be thicker or it could be smoother. It's all really up to you. Alright, once you're done mixing to your liking, you can take it off the blender base, pour yourself a nice tall glass, and oh, almost forgot something. There we go. I guess the only step now is to give it to our taste testers.
Of course I like it. I like it.
Hey baby, do you like it?
But me.
Hey baby, Maxwell, do you like it?
I like it.
Is it good?
Yes.
Good. Well, that's all the time we have for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please consider liking, commenting, and subscribing. If you want to reach us on social media, we do have a Facebook and a Twitter. I'll leave in the links below. If you guys want to see any of our other content, feel free. We have videos on apple chips, candied walnuts, a couple different ones. Hope to see you guys again soon. Bye.
Alright, hi guys, welcome back to another video. Thank you again for tuning in. I've been having so much fun filming this videos for you guys. I hope you guys are enjoying them. I enjoying them. Today I'm going to show you guys what I usually have for breakfast most days. It's going to be nutrient packed. It's going to be great tasting. It's going to be quick for all my busy moms out there or anybody that's busy. We all have busy lifestyles, so this should work perfect for anybody that's busy. So it's going to be a nutrient packed, delicious alkaline smoothie that you can have for breakfast or as a pre-workout or post-workout, whatever time you want to have it, you can have it. I know it's very good for you, for your overall health, and this is what I have for most mornings. Well, before I keep rambling, let's get into the video and I'm going to show you how I make my smoothie that's bomb. Well, thank you for watching. If you haven't subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure you do so, and those that have already subscribed, I just want to say thank you for subscribing and thank you for watching. Alright, let's get into the video. Alrighty, let's get started. I'm gonna just open up my blender right here. I know this is old but true and tested. I love this blender. I know it's not even very expensive. It's pretty cheap, but it does the work. First we have here, this is oatmeal. This is a spelt rolled oat. I'll put that in there. I have 3 dates. Yes, 3 dates. I have 2 bananas. I have I have a bunch of organic kale in there. Put that in there. I'm gonna put a. Okay, I'm gonna add. Where's my scoop? Right here. Oops. 1 scoop of hemp seeds in there. 1 scoop of pumpkin seeds in there. I have maca powder. If anybody is want to inquire about where I got all this stuff, I mostly purchase my stuff from Costco's and Amazon. If you want to know, I don't put the whole scoop of maca. I put like half a scoop of maca in there. I like it. Has this nutty taste that I do like. It blends well with the hemp seeds, which is, and it's nutrient packed, as you can tell. All the stuff. This is like full of protein, great omegas, and then I have this coconut chunks that I got from Trader Joe's, and I'm gonna put like 4 of them. They're frozen, so 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're just gonna blend everything together. You see all this stuff. If you want to know where I got this from, I'm going to put some links below as to where you could go buy if you want to purchase from Amazon, because I buy mine from Costco for the most part. And I'm going to add like a cup of water into it, and I'll blend everything, and I'll show you what it looks like, because I don't want you to hear all the noise from the blender. So I'm not going to show you what it looks like. Okay, so far this is what it is beginning to look like. I'm just gonna add a tablespoon of this is a sea moss. I'm gonna add sea moss in there. It's a tablespoon. I like to put like, this is nature's estrogen, like they say. I made this myself. If you want to see how I clean and prep and make my sea moss, leave a comment below and I will show you how you can clean. You can buy your sea moss, because I live in New York, so I could just go to a herbal Jamaican store and they have sea moss over there. I could just buy it, clean it, and just make my own. And I think the whole bunch that I made, the sea moss is like $5 I bought it for, but in the stores, you know how pretty expensive, and like on Amazon or online, you know how pretty expensive they can be. I'm just gonna add freshly squeeze lime in there, because I like the lime taste in my smoothie. I'm gonna blend everything together and it should be ready to be served. Okay everyone, this is what it looks like, all blended in. It's a nice green smoothie. Delicious, nutrient packed. This is gonna keep you full for hours, especially if you're a gym-headed gym person. This is a great after workout smoothie, or even before workout, because you need the nutrient in you before you go burn your calories. Delicious, healthy, alkalizing. I know some people are going to give me flack for using maca. Like I said, I am not 100% Dr. Say. I don't 100% follow Dr. Sebi's recipe. I know what works for my body, and that's how I live my life. I go by what I feel like works for my body. And you are more than welcome to not use maca in yours. Use whatever kind of ingredients you want to use in yours, but for me, I like the way the maca tastes, and I like the other nutritional value that it brings into my smoothie and into my body. So thank you again for watching. Make sure you stay tuned for more videos, because I'm going to be doing much more, because I got a camera, so I got to use it for something. Thank you. Subscribe and stay blessed and stay healthy.